Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fiesta lower wishbone arm. First, gather your tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy axle stands, and a torque wrench. You will also need a new wishbone arm and a complete set of new bolts. Don't forget penetrating fluid, a wire brush, and some copper grease to help with the process. Safety is paramount, so always use appropriate personal protective equipment. To begin, loosen your wheel nuts, then safely jack up the front of your car and secure it firmly on axle stands. Remove the wheel and set it aside. Next, clean all the wishbone bolt connections using a wire brush and apply penetrating fluid generously. Remove the ball joint pinch bolt, typically a 15mm bolt with a 13mm nut. Carefully separate the ball joint from the steering knuckle, possibly using a chisel. Finally, remove the two main wishbone mounting bolts from the subframe. With the old arm removed, thoroughly clean the subframe mounting points and the ball joint housing. Now, carefully position your new wishbone arm. It's often easiest to align the rear bush first, then the front bush into the subframe. Insert all three new mounting bolts loosely by hand. Next, connect the ball joint to the steering knuckle, ensuring it seats correctly. Do not fully tighten any bolts yet, just get them started. Now it's time for final tightening. Torque the two subframe bolts to 70 Nm, then turn them an additional 180 degrees. Tighten the ball joint pinch bolt to 50 Nm. Reinstall your wheel, ensuring the nuts are tightened to 110 Nm in a cross pattern. Lower the car completely. Remember, a professional wheel alignment is crucial after this repair to maintain safe driving and prevent uneven tire wear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.